Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a guest name on booking.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in booking.com, you can continue following these options. You can create your account using your Facebook, your Google, and Apple. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, adding a guest name to your reservation can be necessary if the booking made on booking.com is made under one name, but another person will be checking in. Okay, so you can do this on the website. Just go to booking.com or on your mobile device, open the booking.com mobile app, and then from here, you just have to access your bookings. If you haven't already, for example, we're heading to Orlando. And you wanted to check this one. Now here, all I'm gonna do is go to the maybe one. Once it's loaded, click on finish your booking already. Okay, you would be forwarded here, and then you simply have to hover down below. You see that the full guest name and get the best flight options for your tip. So if this is going to be the different name, which is the guest name, put it here. Okay, if it's not you, just the one booking it for the person, right? Just do that. And of course, all the information that you can put it here. Say for example, you're booking this and you're adding a guest name, probably put it here. All right, next is the final data, and after that, all I'm gonna do is go to the bookings and reservations. That's gonna be on the upper right corner, bookings and trips. You can also change the guest name here. Right here. Okay, and of course, if you can, just edit here. Now, if you encounter any problems adding a guest name in your booking.com, you simply need to go to the booking.com customer service. These are the channels. Send them a message, call them, and contact the property and tell them you're having problems adding a guest name in booking.com. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.